Now finally, let's talk about the second part of Nftwzrd, which is called generate token. What generate token does is it helps you to create a file with URL of all the different arts of a collection. You can bid on multiple collections, and you can also bid on arts by filtering them with rarity price sorting. Let's open the generate token. We'll open the app here. Here you can add any collection URL you like, however many assets you want to bid on. You can select the platform here, generate tokens Opensea, quick generate token Opensea. You can also use Rarity tools and Lucky Trader. When you've filled all these options, you will simply click on create a task here, and what the bot will do is it will create a simple text file in the output folder. You can use VS Code as a text editor. As you can see, these are many assets of one collection. Now let me show you a quick demo of how this actually works. Now we will go to Opensea. You can choose whichever collection you want to bid on. We can filter our collections. Let's choose Silver Hoop here. We'll copy this collection URL, paste it right here. However many assets we want, we can choose 50 for now. And here you will have to choose generate tokens Opensea. In case there are filters in your collection, you will have to choose generate token Opensea. If there are no filters in your collection, then you can simply use quick generate token, and this will work much faster. We'll click on create a task, and we'll open the folder. Now the browser will show you all the collections with your desired filters. Once this is done, you will go to your output folder, and you will see a file has been created, and this will have all the tokens which are generated, which are basically assets or arts of the collection you have chosen. Now we will go back to the bidding bot. Here you can choose your payment token, enter the time. You won't have to use Underbid and OutBid there, or ETH cap or any of this stuff. You will simply click on upload a file. You will choose this file. As you can see, the file has been uploaded. If you want to use the shuffle collection feature, what it basically does is if you're bidding on multiple collections, what it will do is it will bid on the first asset of the first collection, and then the first asset of the second collection, and it will repeat this process and bid on all the collections in this order. Now if you want to bid on multiple collections, you will repeat the same process we've done in this bot. You will have to create a new file called multiple collections in this folder. And what you will do is you will copy all the assets right here, and you will paste them in one single file, and then you will upload that file in the bidding bot. Now let me give you a quick demo of how you can bid on multiple collections as well. As you can see, we already have one collection here, so we'll go to Opensea and choose another collection. You can use filter here as well. repeat the process that we just showed you. And here you can see the collection on your desired filters. Now here you can see one more file has been created. Now what we will do is open this, create a new file. Now we will copy all the tokens right here and from the other collection as well. Now we'll save this and name it as multiple collection. We can simply add this file into the folder. Now we'll go back to the bidding bot. And here now you can choose this multiple collection file. And in this way you can bid on multiple collections. And here you can use the shuffle collections as well, which means first it will bid on the first asset of the first collection, and then it will bid on the first asset of the second collection. And if you have more collections, it will repeat the same process. And simply click on create.